Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. My name is Shekhar Sinha and today I'll be telling you how to find the square of any two-digit number in seconds. So friends, for that you will have to remember the squares of number from 1 to 10. If you are able to remember these squares, you can find the square of any two-digit number very easily. So if you can see, these squares are very easy to remember. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. So now we'll look at some of the examples of to find the squares of number greater than 10. So my first example is 23. So as step 1, what I'll do is I'll write the squares of these individual numbers. Like 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So I'll write these squares in double digit format, that is 04 and 09. So 2 square is 04 and 3 square is 09. Now as a step 2, I'll multiply these two numbers with each other, that is 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6, and then I'll double this number, that is I'll multiply it by 2. So 6 into 2, it becomes 12. Now you have to leave this unit digit space and you have to write 12, that is this number, beside this 2 and 1. So now I'll add these two numbers. 9 becomes 9, 2 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the square of number 23. Okay, what I did in step 1, I did the square of these individual numbers. 2 square is 04, 3 square is 09. Then in step 2, I multiplied these two numbers with each other and then I did it double. I multiplied it by 2. It becomes 12. I left the unit space digit and I wrote 12 below these numbers. So and then I added these two numbers. So it becomes 529, which is the square of number 23. We look at few more examples. Square of 69. So what my step 1 was, square of these two individual numbers. That is 6 square is 36 and 9 square is 81. 36 and 81. Then in step 2, we will multiply these two numbers. 6 into 9 is 54. Double of 54 is 108. Okay. We'll multiply this number by 2. So it becomes 108. I left the unit space digit and I wrote 108 below these numbers. And then I added it. 1 is 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6 and 1 carry forward. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is my square of 69. This is the answer. Okay. We'll look at one last example. Let's have to find the square of number 97. So as my step 1, I'll write the square of these two individual numbers. 9 square is 81. Okay. 7 square is 49. In step 2, I'll multiply these two numbers with each other. 9 into 7 is 63. Double of 63 is 126. You left the unit space digit and write this result below this number, 8149, 126. Then I'll add these two numbers. 9, 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry forward, 0, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is the square of 97. So by this method you can find the square of any two digit number very easily. This is a very simple step. Once you start practicing it, so you'll be able to find it in less than 10 seconds. Okay, now we look at the short trick to find the square of number ending with number 5. This is very easy. In this format, you don't have to follow the previous step also. Like suppose if I have to find the square of 25. So what I'll do is, I'll write the square of 5 as it is. 5 square is 25. And then multiply this number with its next number, that is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 5 square is 25. So this is my result. This is the square of 25. What I did is got it. In step 1, I wrote the square of number 5. 5 square of 5 is 25. and 2 multiply by its next number, which is 3. That is 2 into 3 is 6. So 625 is my answer. We will look at two more examples. Suppose you have to find the square of number 65. So in step 1, 5 square is 25. Okay. And 6 multiply by its next number. 6 into 7 is 42. So 4225 is the square of number 65. This you can do in your brain also, in your mind also. One last example. 95, 5 square is 25 and 9 multiplied by its next number is 90. So 9025 is my answer, the square of 25. So thank you friends. This is my shortest trick to find the square of any two-digit number. If you have any doubt in this session, you can comment below and I'll reply to your doubts. Thank you friends. If you find this video useful, you can share it with your friends and do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. You can also subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.